Hello student, good morning. Today we will study lesson 5 location and time. Today we will study about the globe of the earth. See, this is the globe. Here the horizontal line is known as the latitudes and the vertical line is known as longitude. Okay, so there are total 180 latitudes. How? 90 in south, northern hemisphere and 90 in southern hemisphere. Total 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 and 190 says this is equated. Okay, so there is 181 latitudes line are there. Now we will study about mention the various country through which that latitude line passes. Okay, Arctic Circle line passes through at the angle of 66.5 in North Pole. Tropic of Cancer line passes through at the angle of 23.5 in North Pole. Equator 0 degree. Okay. Tropic of Capricorn line passes through at the angle of 23.5 in South Pole. Antarctic Circle line passes through at the angle of 66.5 in South Pole. Okay. Okay. Now we will study which important latitude passes through the state of India. Tropic of Cancer passes in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and in Rajasthan also. Okay. Now we will study longitudes are also called prime meridians. See, this is a globe. 180 degree in North Pole and 180 degree in South Pole. Total there are 160 latitude prime meridians. Meridians line are there. 180 in North Poles and 180 in South Pole. Total 360 prime meridians line are there. The earth already divided into two vertical halves. One in southern hemisphere and another in northern hemisphere. Okay. Now Tropic of Cancer line passes at the angle of 23.5 in northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer Atlantic Ocean longitude line are passes in north. 0 equator line passes in South America and in Indian Ocean. Line passes in South America and Indian Ocean. Now Tropic of Capricorn line passes at the angle of 23.5 half in southern hemisphere. Okay. Tropic of Cancer in Southern America and in Australia. Line passes at the angle of 23.5 in south. Okay. Now we will study about international date line. Longitude. International date line. There are 180 longitudes are there. Okay. This is a 180 longitudes line. Okay. In the middle one, 180 longitudes are called international date line. So this one is in the middle line. It is called international date line. Okay. In England it is called Greenwich time. As per India 5 hours 30 minutes ahead है. तो अगर हम वेस्ट की साइड जाएंगे तो टाइम जो है वो माइनस हो जाएगा और अगर हम ईस्ट की साइड जाएंगे जो टाइम है वो प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके. नाउ यू विल स्टडी लोकल टाइम एंड स्टैंडर्ड टाइम इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ऑलरेडी देयर इज गिवन इन डिटेल. ओके. Okay. Now we will do revision. In latitude, there are 181 lines are there. Okay. Horizontal line are known as latitudes and vertical line are known as longitude. Mention the various country through which that latitude passes. Okay? Arctic Circle line passes through at the angle of 66.5 in North Pole. Tropical Cancer line pass at the angle of 23.5 in North Pole. Equator at the 0 angle. Tropic of Capricorn line passes through at the angle of 23.5 in South Pole. Okay? Or Antarctic Circle line pass at the angle of 66.5 in South Pole. Okay? Now we will study which important latitude passes through the state of India. Tropic of Cancer passes, जैसे कि अभी मैंने आपको बताया. ठीक है? Now see, longitude are also called prime meridian. Here the vertical imaginary line passing or running to North Pole and to South Pole. The Earth is already divided into two vertical hemisphers. ठीक है? In Western Hemisphere or in Eastern Hemisphere. Here is the line passes through the longitudes. Okay? So let us see which line is passing, which country is passing through the latitude. Tropic of Cancer passes Atlantic Ocean. India line passes at the angle of 23.5 in northern. Okay, in north. Zero equator line passes at the angle in South America and Indian Ocean. Okay, is that clear? Now, Tropic of Capricorn, South America and Australia line passes at the angle of 23.5 in south. Okay, is that clear? Now, international date line 180. There are total 180 latitudes, which is known as international date line. Okay, is that clear? Now, in Greenwich time, England time, according to the England time. Okay, 5 hours 30 minutes के हिसाब से अगर है तो अगर आप वेस्ट की साइड जाओगे तो जो टाइम है वो माइनस हो जाएगा, और अगर आप ईस्ट की साइड जाओगे तो टाइम है वो प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ क्लियर? थैंक यू.